Came back to see how far they had gotten on the insulation. This is all I see. Good morning, everyone's. I just felt like saying that. I don't know why. Good morning. It's a new day. Thankful to be alive and well. And guess what I'm doing? Heading to the house. Per usual, heading to meet Mike at the house. I don't know if we're going to have any updates for you guys today, but we're definitely gonna go see. They may be installing the insulation today. They were supposed to install it Friday or Saturday. Yeah. We went by there Friday night and no insulation. So what did we do on Saturday? No. We didn't go by there Friday night. We went by there Saturday night. And there was no insulation. We went by there Saturday night and nothing had changed. Yeah, so I don't know if we'll have any updates for you today, but we're definitely gonna go by there and see. They should send us our updated change orders today to approve for our shelves by the fireplace. And excuse my voice, it's my morning, just woke up, raspy voice. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, just dropped a little off at school. It is a beautiful day. When I leave the house, I don't know if me and Mike are gonna go get breakfast and read the word, or if I'm gonna go home and study for the announcement that I will have for you guys later. So, yes, we will check in with you guys at the house. Before I forget, my name is Camille. Mike is at the house. Welcome to House of Rolle. If you're new here, we would love for you to subscribe and stay along for the journey. If you're returning, hey girl, or I guess hey guy too, if there's any guys following. We're just thankful that you guys are here and you decided to stick around for this journey with us. Yeah. So, we'll see you at the house. I don't remember this looking like this, and maybe I'm tripping, but I think this was exposed, but now that we've passed the inspection, they went ahead and wrapped it, because that wasn't like that. Insulation goes over here. Here's another update. Not exactly for sure what these things are. Oh, because our landing pad for our air conditioning unit will go here. So I think that's what some of that is. And I always see these on the outside of houses, but I don't know exactly what it does. I don't know. And then this is new. And looks like they've been working on this too. That is, but they've added that because that was not there before, if you remember, nor was this dug up. So there's that. And it looks like, oh, This is new as well too. And that right there. Came back to see how far they had gotten on the insulation. This is all I see. Oh, there's some up there too. So it's coming along. We're still here, waiting on our neighbors to finish doing their walkthrough. They're over there with their builder and realtor right now doing their walkthrough, and they're supposed to close tomorrow. I'm trying to wait for them to get done so I can see how the walkthrough went and if they're still closing tomorrow. So we're at our neighbor's house, and in their basement, when you come down the stairs, there's this like neat feature. Honey, can you turn that light on? You guys, look how gorgeous that is. Of course, it's not finished yet, so. Mike is finally joining us for this beautiful Monday video. Okay, yeah, so you got to see the beginning of the installation. I feel like they're doing more talking than insulating, but what do we know? And it's only 2 of them, and they have to do that entire upstairs floor and the bottom perimeter.
I think what it seems like it's taking so long or longer than we think. I said, I think the fact that they have to do a lot of caulking before they can put the insulation up just to make sure everything is airtight. It may seem like they're taking their own slow time, but in essence, they're all about the detail and all about getting things completely done and done correctly first in steps. And so, like you said, what do we know? We don't know exactly what comes, what they have to do before they put the insulation in, but it's what they got the R15 and what the R38, I believe it is.
I remember seeing 15. Was the other one 38?
I think so. The 30 is probably for the ceilings and so forth.
Yeah.
And the 15 is for the interior walls.
Yeah.
But
so this is supposed to take 3 days. We will see if it takes the 3 days. I'm anticipating 5 days. I'm just gonna add a couple extra days. Talk to our neighbors, walk through our neighbor's house. I know I showed you guys the downstairs feature they had, but they did their walkthrough today. Closing is not happening tomorrow. They're not mad about it though. So there's a lot of minor details that need to be done and a couple major.
And I don't think this is uncommon.
No.
Especially when it comes to new build. And you would rather get it done now in this particular process or stage of the game than to close and then realize that you have all these changes or desires or imperfections that needed to be changed. The good thing about it is even though their closing is pushed down, it's not going to affect their rates.
Yeah.
So that's a good
they don't
thing.
have a new closing date, but they're going to check that they think they need to close by the end of the month in order to be honored their rate lock. But it's quite a few things that need to be taken care of, but
overall
it looks beautiful.
It's a beautiful house.
It's so beautiful.
Yes.
They did really good. And I think I gotta move because they are because this truck is trying to he said he's gonna go the other way.
But this cul-de-sac.
It's on fire today, y'all. The block is hot. There's so many cars. Our other neighbor came. We talked to her. They finally have sheetrock. They're putting the cabinets in. It's like 7 or 8 men in there, and they are just like boom, 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 boom. I went in earlier, and the cabinets were being delivered. Me and Mike just went in, and they got some of the cabinets in. They're already working on the trim. They got some of the shelves done. I'm like, goodness, they are on it. She said they are supposed to be done with their trim and cabinets by the end of the week. Deadlines. Which is crazy. Again, I'm gonna say the beginning of next week, but I don't know. They might surprise. These men are over here working, getting her done. But yeah, really no changes with us. Hopefully they'll be starting on sheetrock next week. Yeah, hopefully they'll be starting on our sheetrock next week. Or not this week. I mean, the end of this week. I meant to say the end of this week. Hopefully they'll be starting on our sheetrock the end of this week. And yeah, but that's gonna take about 2 weeks to get that done. So it's gonna take some time. Everything is we're at the stage in the game where things are very
starting to move slower now than before.
Yeah, it's moving slower because it's more tedious work.
Gotta pay attention to detail more so now than any time, before. But like you said, it's more detail and precision. Because they're dealing with the interior. And
sorry about that. It cut off on us. It overheated. The temperature got too hot. So we're gonna go ahead and close this out. I don't even know where we were when Mike was talking. But yeah, a lot of tedious work. Yeah, a lot of tedious work. But we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna close this out. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing and following along. Yeah. Until next time. Peace out.
Peace out.